Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect AirPods to your Coros Pace 3. First, make sure your AirPods are fully charged and resting in their case. Keep them close to your watch, ideally within a few inches. Then, grab your smartphone and open the Coros app. This initial setup ensures both devices are ready for a smooth and quick connection process, saving you time and effort. Now let's get your Coros Pace 3 ready. On your watch, scroll to the System menu. From there, select Accessories and then choose Add Bluetooth. Simultaneously, open your AirPods case. Locate the small button on the back of the case and press and hold it for a few seconds until the status light begins to flash white. This puts your AirPods into pairing mode, making them discoverable. Once your AirPods are in pairing mode, your Coros Pace 3 will scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see your AirPods appear in the list on your watch screen. Simply select your AirPods from this list to establish the connection. Within a few moments, your watch will display a confirmation message, indicating that your AirPods are successfully paired and ready for use during your workouts or daily activities. If you encounter any issues, try a quick reset of your AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds. Also, ensure your AirPods aren't already connected to another device, like your phone. For the best experience, keep your AirPods and Coros Pace 3 within a close range, typically around 10 meters, to maintain a stable and clear audio connection throughout your activities. Enjoy your music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.